Welcome everybody. So today we're there at Cayman's River again, as you can see. Copyright music up in the background, so I have to use the mic as always. So today I do more metal detecting. The last time I come here, I never finished. So I say alright, I come do some more again. I'm going to do a little cleanup video. I'm not going to do a full cleanup. I do a little semi just to see what it feel like. And yeah, hopefully I find any gadget today, any phone, any jewelry, anything like that. See the metal detector here. So yeah man, make sure you subscribe if you don't want to see more. Leave a like on the video, make me know if you don't like it and don't want to see more, same way. Leave a comment what you think, and let me know which part is with clear water, pretty clear water like this, where people go in a regular when we can possibly find treasure. Alright. Sorry, Claud, right? Sorry, Claud, right?
Yeah. You really want it?
Alright everybody, so welcome back to another metal detecting video. I have bad news and I have good news. Bad news is my GoPro wasn't set correctly on my head, therefore you won't see most of me digging up the ground to find the treasure in this video. For example, you notice my hand is cut off. You're not seeing me digging up the ground properly. Sadly, that was my fault. I didn't double check to see if everything was good. So because of that, I had to cut the clips very short. But I couldn't manage to do back over the video because it is already done. Right here I found a ring.
Bumba! How you find that? I know I stored. Look at things shiny. Yeah, look at it standing.
After I found the ring, I didn't see it back again because Claud decided that he wanted the ring no matter what. I found $10 right there, I believe. No, that's $5. No, that's $20.
Yeah, what about that?
What's that, $10? $10. You won't get to see the full clip of me digging up the ground because, as I said, right here I found a credit, I believe it's a Visa debit card from Scotiabank. Yeah, a Visa debit card. Couldn't believe it. Like, how careless you have to be. How careless of you to swim with your Visa debit card or your card in general and lost it. But you know, things happen to people.
You can't stop. I don't promote those things. Yo, this sick, you know, bro? I don't know, bro. I'm good, man. Yeah.
Alright, back to the water. Yo, because I don't even know how upset I'll be right now, knowing that the GoPro didn't, what's that, $10? Knowing that the GoPro never set good at all. But the video had to go on. I couldn't let a third week pass and I don't post any content. So I had to make this work. Hope you guys enjoyed. What's that? $1. Hope you guys enjoy the little bit you guys are able to see. I think it's good enough. Until the next time. But yeah. Cayman's water is full of, what's that, $10? $20. Cayman's water is so full of treasure. I believe right here is where I found the $5,000 bill, aka Shara. There it is. As I know, the GoPro wasn't set correctly on my head, so you couldn't see a full image of it. But you will see it at the end of the video.
Huh? Yeah, you see it.
But here, Cayman's water is full with treasure. I have to go back there. I plan to go back there to do a cleanup video. So, what's that? $20. I plan to go back to do a cleanup video, but I can't until I get a full scuba diving gear to stay underneath the water longer. Because right now it's just right now I'm doing. Wait, I believe right here is where I found the phone, the iPhone 11. Yeah. Best treasure so far. I love when I find the phone them. What's that? That's $1 and another $1. Oh, is that member card?
Yeah.
A long time member card is still. By the time I finish finding money in the river, yeah, I'm rich.
Oh, that's $10 again?
Yeah. Oh, I had to catch some breath in order to go back down. You will see that a lot. Oh, right here I found a knife, a murder weapon. Trust me, anywhere at all you go, you can always find a knife in the water. Oh, right there, so I'm find $50. So why me I dig for something, I notice the $50 and pick it up right away. You can see it in the water for the longest while. $10. At this point, I start cutting the videos to where I found the money exactly. I cut the clips exactly to when I'm picking up the money. From this point on, I believe. Yeah, $20. This is no $20 again. This is $10, I believe. And this is $20 again. That's $5 or $1. That's that $10 and $20 again. That's a necklace. Oh, and that. Alright, I find a whole heap of things, people. I'm gonna show you what I go on. Cayman's River are always a jackpot to me. Every time I come here, I find a bag of things. I'll show you what I go on. I find this, I don't know what. This looks like a water gun. No.
Yeah, little thing with them.
Yeah, look like a water gun, so I'll squirt the water from people. And then I find a phone case. I can keep it there, sir. I find a phone case. I find a murder. Claud, tell them about the murder weapon, Claud.
Aye. Murder weapon. You see me? Ching! Murder weapon. Whoa! Yeah.
Alright, and I find $50. Oh yeah. This is the jackpot.
Wait, what?
You know what I said? Oh, I never show you what I go on for this. Cause you need gun.
I want to find that.
We'll find this between. We'll find it. The under some moras in the water. We'll find an iPhone.
I want to find this.
Like on 13.
Which one?
iPhone 13?
Yeah.
Take off
We'll find an iPhone 13. So.
No, I lie, 12, sorry.
12?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll find an iPhone.
I lie, a level.
Yo, take off the
At a level.
case. I look good, Planny. Like it's well. Yeah, why you asking me something now?
Alright, so I guess that is it for the iPhone. Claud gone with it. Alright, so we'll find more money, we'll find a sharer. Come and keep it in there for the longest one because it's really soft right now. Yo! Yo! Give me money come, give me money come. What about what about phone and money? Yeah. You said this big?
12.
Alright, so I'm gonna find an iPhone 12. It look like a girl, it's a girl phone cases. So if you was at Cayman's River and you lost your iPhone, well that's if you can turn on anyways. But when I go over and turn it on, if you turn on, I'm gonna return it to the person. Link me up in the comment or wherever, social media, if I hear your phone.
Say about 5 grand too. Anybody come out about last
No
5
man,
grand?
5 grand now return. Anybody last 5 grand, that now return. I mean return the phone but the 5 grand now return. We find a sponge. A sponge. Claud, you want a sponge? No man. Yo, man, I trim me afraid. Oh, so the next jackpot, yeah? Yo, nah man, I lie. It's declared now, baby. We drive But you,
No,
more I like this in there for a while, so this not good, and I'm not gonna even trouble it for say use it, but you know.
Can't tap.
No,
Okay, and tap it. What you want later? You want KFC?
no.
You get a book that chicken.
hardware later?
What a zinger.
No, this is mine.
I can tap this.
This is mine.
No man, easy yourself man. That's
This
a year
can
one.
tap.
That's a year one, but I tap it.
Oh, yeah, tap
this.
that.
That's the more you want.
Popeyes.
Alright. Alright. And oh yeah. And then I find one bag of other random things. This one Shambhala.
Godfather.
I don't know what this. This is a great bottle cap. And beer money. 100 20 40 50 150 that 20 30 hold on, can I count out this 50 250 that 250 that this is a $10.
No?
What is this? It's a $5 $10.
No.
I'm money that.
Name also, I saw you fish them hungry.
And then some other shelling. So yeah, I still never finish because I go up a batch of dead. And yeah, I still never finish, so if I come back I came on again.
Like this.
Where's that? Which one is?
Look like a iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Oh yeah, it's a level. It's a level Pro Max.
You see? Take it off so you can see the edge.
Oh man, this good man.
First it at 12. No, what? What? That's where's the fuck?
Alright everybody, make sure on a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Leave a comment if you hear from this, contact me. I don't know if I hear one. If you lost your card, I'm gonna destroy it. I'm not keep it, I'm gonna destroy it in case it still at work. If you lost this, too bad, I keep this.
No, wait. You keep that.
Alright, I keep this. Alright, I keep this. No, I can't. I keep the server there. But remember for like, leave a subscribe if you know which place I can go. Come do some underwater metal detecting. The water clear and pretty like that. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, what else?
Hey, una black.